Now, Electric Brothers came and dropped a bombshell on what they expect in terms of the new deliveries in Q4. You will know that yesterday I did a video where we were talking about one of the big financial institutions. I don't remember if it was Deutsche Bank or Morgan Stanley. I think it was Morgan Stanley. They came and said that, look, in Q4, NEO should easily get to 50,000 deliveries, which is something that was just so great because this shows us that indeed profitability, or for the fact that so many people are seeing this becoming possibility, it simply means one thing, and that is profitability is guaranteed to come in Q4, which is something that is very exciting, and we look forward to this. I mean, one of the things that obviously as new investors that we've been talking about, or that is very, very important for NEO this year, is for NEO to get to profitability or reach the profitability or reach profitability status, because as it stands, NEO is still running at a loss and investors wants to see profitability coming. Yes, deliveries are important, but ultimately where we want to see NEO at is NEO getting to profitability and seeing a yet another source also coming and confirming that, look, they see 40,000 deliveries easily achievable in Q4, something that gives us confidence to say that, look, we are set for greatness. NEO will indeed get to profitability because with the pre-launch of the ES8 plus the Onvo L90, they agree, or they are concur with what we've been discussing on this channel, and that is these two models should help NEO get to 50,000 deliveries. I mean, they break it down further to say where majority of the deliveries are going to come from, and it was not surprising because they say 10,000 will come from the Onvo L90, 10,000, another one will come from the new ES8, and the other models will make the remaining 20,000. That is your L60, ET5 Touring, ET5 Mid-Sedan, EC6, ES6, ES7, EC7, ET9, and the Firefly sub-brand. They say that these other 9 models will then make, of course, the rest of the deliveries, the 20,000 that will help NEO get to the overall 40,000 which they are expecting or projecting in October. But something that obviously based on what they are saying that you need to bear in mind is that, look, this is lower than what or where NEO want to see themselves, because NEO wants to get to 50,000, and I think they will do whatever they can to make sure that deliveries in Q4 go to 50,000. They are going to make sure that they deliver as many vehicles as possible. They are going to make sure that all deliveries that they produce go out, because part of the reason why NEO Day was moved before December or in September next month, it is because they want to capture as many deliveries as possible to ensure that by the festive or by Q4 already their delivery targets are already met, which, knowing that 50,000 is the base for NEO, as said by, of course, the CEO of NEO and NEO's top executives, it's one thing that I believe that they will strive to get to that. Morgan Stanley yesterday said 50,000. Electric Brothers here it's saying, look, 40,000 should be the base. But at the end of the day, I think the goal or the main goal for NEO is to get deliveries to 50,000. And this is what is going to come to pass. I mean, right now in September, factory number 3 is opening up, and one thing that we are reading in China is that there's been a massive job opportunities, or there's been a lot of employment that NEO has been doing, preparing for the mass production in their factory number 3, which is next to factory number 2, right? So they've hired, or they've started going into hiring spree, where they are looking for the people that will be working at factory number 3 or F3 factory, which that already also gives us the confidence that, look, man, NEO will do very, very well. So I am very happy about this, and when I read this or when I saw this, honestly, my dear friends, I just got the motivation to want to load the boat, because look, a lot of people are seeing the blue sky that is coming onto NEO. They are seeing what NEO can be able to achieve in Q4, and this comment or this post by Electric Brothers, it signals the positive news that are coming in Q4, which is why the market already it's in agreement with whatever analyst investors are saying, and that is blue sky is indeed coming in Q4, which is why the market has been reacting so positive onto NEO, or when you look into the NEO share price. I mean, yesterday we finished up 10%, which was so great to see that happen. After Monday, we saw NEO finishing the day around 5%. A lot of people were panicking on Monday, but yesterday it looks like a lot of people, when NEO finished the day on that green or on that up 10%, we saw they were so happy, excited, and they look forward to obviously what's coming onto NEO. So my dear friends, me, I'm very happy. I'm excited to know that, of course, what we have been talking, discussing, and that is NEO getting to 50,000 profitability, 50,000 deliveries, as said by the NEO CEO from Q1 earnings. So many other people are now starting to see indeed the massive potential that lies within NEO. I would like to also highlight something that I think from this analysis by Electric Brothers, which gives me the confidence that, look, 40,000 should be the base. Remember, production capacity for Onvo L90 it's continuing to be ramped up, meaning that this month, though L90 is going to sell probably 12,000. Next month, I can guarantee you it's going to be over 15,000, because NEO continues improving the production capacity for both NEO and Firefly. Firefly, I already gave you the information, and that is they are targeting to increase production by 10% on a month-to-month starting from September, which again, it shows you that NEO is ready to get to 50,000 in Q4, and therefore L90, ES8, they've got the potential, just the two of them, to sell 30,000 cars. But anyways, let's wait, let's see what transpires. Let's not jump off gun. Let's wait, let's see, or let's really see how this thing will play out. So yeah, my dear friends, I like what I see. I remain long, I remain strong on NEO, because I know one thing, and that is blue sky is coming. I know one thing, and that is those that are persevering throughout the headwinds of the share price will most definitely be rewarded with time. Look, man, it takes me some time to make videos like this, and all I ask from you is to give it a thumbs up. I really appreciate you, or some of you guys that have been liking, that have been subscribing, that have been sharing the videos I do on a daily basis. I'll keep them coming, I promise, which is why I would like to also encourage those that have not subscribed but are watching the content to say, please just subscribe, so that we grow the NEO community together. I've been doing this NEO videos since 2020, though at first I was doing a multiple or covering other stocks since 2023. I've been doing NEO videos only on this channel, which is something that I guarantee you that is what I will continue doing in the years to come. And hopefully the content that I'm giving you, it's beneficial, it keeps you up to date, and you don't have to go and struggle to find the content that will make you keep your shares for a long period onto NEO. Anyways, I'll see you on the next one. That is all from me, and God bless you all.